Seems pretty smooth. Tail's not hopping. This tower's not shaking. Feels smooth to the touch. It's putting out 4 kilowatts. I walked in. When the lightning strike, the kilowatt hours was down to like 400 and something. Now it's up to almost, it's up to 557. So it's been making energy since the repair. Today is Tuesday. Oh, there's 13 kilowatts. 14. The fans are running on the dump load. I guess the lightning strike was 6/12 of 21, but it was just repaired like, what, last week? Makes a few interesting sounds and a strong gust with the yaw. Looks pretty turbulent up there. These are winds from old Hurricane or Tropical Depression Fred. Gust. Ugh. Don't know what the winds are, but 20-30 miles per hour, something like that. More up there.